I'm Susan Joke, the creative director of Job Books and Crafts, and in today's tutorial I'll be teaching us how to make this Yoyoflower Turban cap. Yeah, we've made a previous video on how to make a Yoyoflower before, so I'll just be adding this to teach us how I make these particular designs. So I'll be putting the link to how to make the Yoyoflower in the description box below. Thank you. Scrubber material. You can also use your shiny face, your prep, any material of your choice. Your trimmings for embellishments, ears, scissors, candle wax, glue gun, tailor's chalk, office pin, thread and needle, then the round objects. So what I did is I told us to be making a Yoyoflower turban cap. So I make the round shaped turban cap. If you don't know how to make the round shaped turban cap, you can go to our previous video on how to make a round shaped turban cap. I have also posted a video before on how to make Yoyoflower, so you can go to the previous video too on how to make the Yoyoflower, but I'll be giving us a brief description of how I make the Yoyoflower and how I come out about the shape. So I placed my round objects on my material and I cut out the small pieces like this. I cut out as many pieces as I want. Then I also cut out a big circle like this, where I'll be making my Yoyoflower and I'll be placing it on this circle. You can cut any shape, you can cut triangle, you can cut any shape you want. So after making the Yoyoflower, you make as many Yoyoflower as you want. So I'll be placing the Yoyoflower on the cut circle like this, the bigger one from the one we use in making this. So you place it on it like this, you tack it down. You either place it with your gum or you tack it down with your needle and thread. So you keep placing it, you tack it down with your needle and thread, you place it, tack it down with your needle and thread, you place it, tack it down with your needle and thread till you fill up all the whole circle. You can do it in any shape you want. You can do it, fill it the way you want till you fill out the whole circle. So I will do that and get back to us. Just the same way I did it like this. See, I fill the circle different way that I want it to come out, different shape that I want. So that is just the simple technique. Just cut a small circle, then a bigger circle, make your Yoyoflower, place it on the circle one after the other. So I'll drop the link in the description box, the link to how to make the Yoyoflower in the description box. So after I finished arranging the Yoyoflower on our circle, I tack it to my turban cap this way. Tack to my turban cap. So what I'll be doing next is to attach, is to put my trimmings. I cut the trimmings. So what I did was I cut the trimmings into small parts like this. Then I'll be attaching it with my glue gun and I'll be placing it on the Yoyoflower like this to beautify it. Placing it on the Yoyoflower one after the other to beautify it till I get to the desired, how beautiful I want it to be. So you just place it. You can also use your pearls, you can use your buttons, your small fancy button, anything just for you to beautify the cap. Yeah, finished embellishing it. This is how it looks like. Yeah, isn't this looking very beautiful? Yeah, we also made another one. This is it. Yeah, I told us you can use different shape that we want. see that this shape, the way I arrange this is different from the way I did this. Yeah. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Click, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah. I love you all.